Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy crumpled paper tree DIY. These are fun for Christmas, and I honestly do this technique on a lot of different things for several different holidays. So I have a little triangle piece that I actually have in my shop, or you can use scrap wood, and you could also use just a canvas. We trace the triangle onto scrapbook paper, and the first place we are actually going to adhere down with Mod Podge. And then you're going to see me continue tracing, and each triangle is going to get smaller and smaller so that we kind of have a gradient effect when we put this all together. Next, we're going to make this truly come to life. We are going to crumple up each of the pieces that we cut out, just like you're throwing a wad of paper away. So crumple it up, roll it around in your hands a little bit. Be careful not to tear it, but we're just getting the crumpled look, and it's going to come together absolutely perfectly. Now that we have all of our pieces crumpled up, we are going to lay them down from biggest to smallest. I am going to put a strip of hot glue just down the middle. We only want the middle to stick because we want the edges to stand up a little bit from the wood or your canvas or whatever you're using, and that is what's going to give it a little bit of dimension. We're going to do this just going down the line until our littlest one is at the top. Right now, I am just adding some sheer glitter ribbon to the edge that was just the exact size of my wood piece, and you can do this to match any style. I wanted my tree to have a little bit more flair, and so I had these tiny pearl beads that are actually scrapbooking beads, and so they have adhesive on them already, and you can see I'm just sporadically placing them onto the pieces of paper, and oh my gosh, you guys, this turned out so adorable. I cannot wait for you to see the end project. Check it out. This is a really fun technique to do on all kinds of things. I've done it with pumpkins in the fall, hearts at Valentine's Day, sunflowers. It really just is limitless to use this technique. If you love this DIY and love all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org, where I have to share so much other goodness. Thank you so much for watching today.